Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 RLC 82 Lamborghini Countach LP500S. You can always check out my previous video on the red RLC, where I give you some history on the Lamborghini Countach. I'll give you some cool facts in this video. The first is that the word Countach is an explanation of astonishment in the Piedmontese language. So let's take a look at the box. You can see it says Hot Wheels right here, then 82 Lamborghini Countach LP500S, then the Lamborghini logo, then Lamborghini logo on the left side. On the right side it says Hot Wheels Collector Special Edition. So let's open it out of the box. So you can see on this box, it now says 82 Lamborghini Countach LP500S. Then it shows the Countach, the black Countach. Then two red stripes, the Lamborghini logo. Another Lamborghini logo. And basically the same thing as it did on the first box. And then I'll read to you guys what it says on the back on the turntable. So then you can see in the acrylic case, it says Lamborghini Countach LB500S, Lamborghini logo, and then of course the car. I'm going to take it out of the box, or out of the acrylic case off camera. And you can also see though, there's 12,000 made. So you can see this Lambo is black, then the two red stripes. I really like the rims they used, and the outline of the rims, the silver. Then you can see the scissor doors. And a fun fact is that the real Countach became the first productional car with scissor doors, and only 321 real LP500Ss were built. So it's even more than the limited RLC edition too, because 12,000 of these are built. Then you can see the backlights, then the red interior.
In 1985, the Lamborghini Countach was worth about $120,000, and now it ranges between $300,000 and $500,000. The 25th anniversary was restyled by Horatio Pagani. The visibility in a Countach is horrible. If you've ever seen an owner park the car, they typically open the doors and sit halfway out the car to be able to see. On the back of the box it says, "It's the definition of an exotic car. Hot Wheels captures the essence of extreme performance of a vehicle so iconic, its picture belongs in the dictionary." Twin scissor doors with tinted windows open to reveal the detailed driving cockpit inside. Bristling with scoops, ducts, a massive rear spoiler, and covered with depthless Spectraflame black finish, this finely tuned machine is the last word when it comes to collectability.
So let's compare this to the red one. So you can see, of course, the red one has opening doors. Then you can see it has the Morris Mini wheels. And it's really no big difference, just the rims are different, and then of course the colors. And on the bottom, of course, it's the same. And it's still the same exact car, just different colors and rims. Personally, I like the first one because the red cherry color on this. but definitely on the black one, the rims are a lot better. Here's some pictures of the KK's cars that I sent to CB for him winning the giveaway. So the winner for the L-Case giveaway is Norman Glenn. So congratulations, Norman. You have 1 week to either email me or DM me on Instagram to claim your prize. Congratulations again, and thanks for watching my videos. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this 2020 RLC Hot Wheels Lamborghini Countach.